Here's the Honda Pilot. Let's go ahead and get started. The light's over there. The way to access it, we have to first open up the hatch. Now we need to get the light out of the body, and it's be held in place by two screws, 1 and 2. You can either use a Phillips head screwdriver to take it out, or better yet, get an 8mm socket ratchet combination and get that out. Let's go ahead, one by one. The two screws come out. Now we need to push it out straight towards the back of the car. Okay, so one hand over there, the second one gives it a push, and out it comes. This pin goes right over there. The second pin over here, it goes right inside over there. Yep, and those two holes, that's where the screws go into the body right over there, 1 and 2. Now that's the bulb holder for the turn signal. Just grab it, twist it left, and it's loose, and it comes right out. Just grab the bulb and pull it out straight. You may have to wiggle it a little bit, but it'll come off. The bulb size is WY21W. Check the link in the description to buy the new one from Amazon for yourself, and then push it down back in the bulb holder to secure it. Now let's put the bulb holder back in the light. And now when you do so, you have to make sure that it sits in flush, and for that you may have to do some twisting and turning before the bulb holder actually drops into the light. So just be patient, it may take you a few seconds, and once it sits in like this, then you just twist your right to lock it, and now you're done. And now let's put the light back in the body. This is what you do. You first get it in position, and look at my right side finger. See that? Then lift it up from the front, and then give it one final push inside. And now the light's properly in place. All we have to do is just put those two screws back on and tighten them up one by one, and that is looking good. Hope you found the video useful. Before we go, let me give a quick shout out to Naya Motors Inc. for letting us use the car today to film the videos. They are a used car dealer here in Ottawa, Canada. Check out the link in the description for their entire inventory. Thank you.